Everyone, so in this video today I will be teaching guys watching how to change your messenger ringtone on your iPhone 15 Pro Max or iPhone 15 Pro. So the first step is to simply go to the settings option, then in the search bar search for ringtone and go to the ringtone option, and from here you will see different ringtones. Select any one, and from here you can also see text tone, new voicemail, new mail, sent mail, etc. So simply search out, or basically search, see your reminder alerts or your text tone that is of antic, etc. Choose whichever thing you want by simply listening to it and selecting your favorite. And for messenger you will select a text tone, because when messaging, um, this is the voice you get when your iPhone is not silent. So yeah, if you want a tone rather than note, simply collect it and then go back, and then it will automatically be set on it. So yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching this video till the end. That's all from my side. Bye bye.